Hello, and welcome to episode 76 of If This Car Could Talk. This is part 3 in our recap of all of our previous videos. Be sure to watch your favorites again, and to see those that you may have missed. Be sure to like and share them with your friends, and leave a comment if you'd like. Also, it helps us to have subscribers to the channel, so if you're a subscriber, thank you. We're glad you're part of the family, and hope you enjoy the videos that we bring you every week. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. It's easy and it's free. Here's a rundown of the next 9 episodes. Now, let's go for a ride.
Jim Wade is the owner of this really cool 1967 Dodge Dart, built as a modern interpretation of a 60s factory drag car. Completely owner-built, this car performs as good as it looks. Jim was an auto shop class teacher for years, and has all of the necessary skills to build a Mopar like this. He also helps many other local car people with their projects, from minor repairs to full-blown builds. Jim has an all-out Dodge Shelby drag car that we'll be bringing you in the next few weeks.
Being a child of the 80s, this accurately constructed kit replica is really awesome, especially at nighttime car shows where all the lights are on. This was a fun feature to do and has been very popular with our viewers. Evidently, kit holds a special fascination for many people. When we shot the feature, owner Kimberly Pritchett could barely contain her enthusiasm. We see Kim and Kit all over the Phoenix area, and both are terrific examples of having fun with your car. This was the first car to receive a special license plate from us, exclusively for feature car owners. All of the past owners were also given a plate as our way of thanking them. As I said, we've become friends with each of them, and it's fun to see the plates displayed on, or at least with the cars.
Tom and I love all sorts of cars, but admittedly we have a special affection for Pontiacs. When we first saw Mike Bramer's 69 Trans Am, we just assumed it was a tribute car. Boy, we couldn't have been more wrong. Not only is this one of the 697 original cars, but it has a great story. Mike's not afraid to get on it, as you can see in one of our rotating video introductions, and he drives it daily, even taking his kids to and from school in it. Mike is also well known around the Phoenix area as being a superb Pontiac engine builder. The way this Trans Am runs, I have no doubt that any Poncho engine build is in very capable hands with Mike. One of our favorite cars we've ever featured for a lot of different reasons.
Mel Dynas has one of the most well-engineered and usable vintage muscle cars that we've ever seen, seamlessly blending the classic style of a 69 Plymouth Roadrunner hardtop with the complete underpinnings and interior of a late-model Dodge Challenger. Mel enjoys all of the modern performance amenities the Challenger provides while appearing as a stock classic Roadrunner. As you'd expect, the car performs just like the donor car did when new.
Mike and Vanessa Burns are clients of a previous feature car owner. Dodge Dart owner and builder Jim Wade told us about the Burns' awesome International Scout. What makes this one so cool is that the truck was bought new by Vanessa's father, and now that its restoration is complete, veterans suffering from PTSD and other ailments now have the chance to get out on the trail and maybe go fishing with a fellow veteran. This is Mike and Vanessa's ministry, and this is one of the most inspiring features we've ever brought you guys. Be prepared to be inspired and touched by this amazing couple and their really cool Scout.
Mike Lamberth is the current caretaker of this amazingly well-preserved Camaro Iroc Z. One of the most popular features ever on this channel. Mike's car is absolutely beautiful and the epitome of why these Camaro models are so legendary. Spending the day with Mike and his wife Denise was great. They were fun to hang out with, and on the day we did the feature of this pony car and their 77 Pontiac Can-Am, Mike also introduced us to a neighbor that has a wonderful collection of early flat fender Jeeps, which has also become one of our most popular features.
Every Saturday morning, Tom and I take our 2 daily drivers to the local car wash. One day, as we were drying the car off, this stunning Shelby pulled into an adjacent stall. Instantly striking up a conversation with the car's owner, Max Simon, was very fortuitous. Not only did we get a great feature story, We have also become very close friends with Max, and together we go to the slot car track and some of the local car shows quite often. If the car hobby has new young people like Max coming into it, then our beloved pastime is in very capable hands.
Who doesn't love a red Corvette? After all, Prince didn't sing about any other color for this iconic American sports car than red. When we met Mark Christ, we knew we'd found our next feature car. Mark is obsessive about the care of his beautiful Vette, and he and his wife enjoy driving it often. It's even been to the National Corvette Museum. This car photographs well and looks good from any angle. How it made its way into Mark's life is also a heartwarming story and also adds up to the don't miss this feature.
We met this 77 Pontiac Can-Am's owner at a local cruise night. Since Pontiacs are some of our favorite cars, we were instantly attracted to this rare one-year-only model. Owners Mike and Denise Lamberth have a great story about the car's acquisition and preservation, and they enjoy driving it often. Mike did an impressive burnout the day we shot the feature, and you can see it on one of the rotating segments we do for each new video. They also have a gorgeous Iroc Z28, which we discussed a few features ago. The garage they keep their two babies in is just as impressive. No doubt that better stewards for these legendary GM muscle cars could not be found.
Well, I'm sure you'll agree that we always have interesting cars, but more importantly, these cars also have great stories. Join us next Sunday as we conclude the series on reviewing all of our videos. As a bonus, we'll take a quick look at some of our upcoming feature cars. I know you guys will like what we have in store for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, please be careful out there.